Hey there. Give your family the gift of clarity. This family emergency and estate organizer keeps every important detail of your life in one editable spreadsheet: accounts, insurance, documents, contacts, bills, assets, and final wishes. So your loved ones are never left searching during an already hard time. Let me walk you through it. The dashboard is your at-a-glance readiness check. How many financial accounts you've logged, total cash and investments, total debts, key contacts recorded, and what's still not covered. Financial accounts is the core of it. Account type, institution, a nickname, the last four digits, approximate balance, whether it's joint, whether a beneficiary is listed, and, crucially, where the full details are kept. Never the password, just the location. Insurance policies does the same for cover. Policy type, provider, policy number, coverage amount, premium and frequency, the named beneficiary, and your agent's contact details. Digital and documents is the tab most people have never made. Email accounts, subscriptions, cloud storage, what it is, where it lives, the username, where the login is stored, and what action someone would need to take. Key contacts is the phone list your family would otherwise have to reconstruct. Your attorney, your accountant, your financial advisor, name, role, firm, phone, and email. Bills and subscriptions lists every recurring payment with its monthly equivalent, whether it's on auto pay and a continue or cancel column. That column alone saves families months of unnoticed charges. Assets and property covers the physical side, the house, vehicles, valuables, with a description, location, estimated value, and who each item should go to. And final wishes is plain text, in your own words. Funeral and service preference, burial or cremation, location ideas, the things nobody wants to guess at. That's the family emergency and estate organizer. Excel and Google Sheets, and the link is below.